Good day, everyone. Um, you're welcome to my page once again, and it has been a while here. Now, don't let me waste much time on that. Regarding the picture I posted, a picture of a glass of water, and then we have a peeled orange and the one that is unpeeled inside. So I actually threw a question at you that why is the orange that is not having a peel sinking, and why is the one that is having a peel floating? Now, without wasting our time, the main reason to this is what we call density. Now, density is a parameter in scientific field which means the ratio of mass divided by volume. Yes, which means that when you have the mass of something, just divide it by what? By the volume of that thing or another thing. It depends on what you are calculating for. Now, having said that, what is this density and how does it affect this? Now, don't forget that a peeled orange is the one that is not having a cover on its body. Don't forget the cover of an orange. The cover is something that even when you press it in your eyes like this, it can make your eye to become very, very red. So now, the peel of an orange, when it is found on the body of that orange, it makes it to float. And we are about to tell you the scientific reason why it is like that. Now, don't forget that I've mentioned what we call density. If you check the body of that peel, the peel itself, not the whole orange, the peel itself, which is covering that orange itself, whether it is tangerine or orange itself, the peel, which is the outer cover, it is having what we call tiny pore spaces. The tiny, tiny pore spaces are the ones that we allow air to enter inside the peel. Now, if air enters something, what do you think is going to happen when you place it on water? It is, of course, going to float. Look at when we board all these boats. Yes, boats at the seaport. Let's say we are traveling from somewhere to somewhere by sea. Yes, and then what do you think they are going to give us? They are going to give us a life jacket. This life jacket, if you press the part of those things, you will notice that what there are some things that are soft inside. This means that they are air filled. There is air inside. Air. It is inside. The same thing applies to that peel of what? Of orange. So that is just the reason why it is floating. It is air filled. It has allowed air to what? To stay inside the tiny, tiny pore spaces of the what? Of the orange peel. And if it has allowed the air to stay inside, it means that what? It will lower the density of this thing. And if it lowers the density, it means that it is having a low density than the water that you want to place it inside. So that is why when you place it inside, you are going to have something that is floating. So the same thing when you naked the what? When you naked the orange, when you remove the peel of the orange or the rind of the orange, what do you think is going to happen? It means you have removed the life jacket of that orange. Therefore, it will go under the ground. That is just the simple scientific reason why it is like that. Now, I believe that your kids, those of us that have kids, I believe that your kid would be interested in this video. Yes, please show them this video so that they can learn more about science and they will be able to choose what they want to do when they get to higher level in the education system. So, my people, that is just the scientific answer to the question that I've asked on my page before. So please, I believe that we all understand. If there is any more question, you can actually post it under the comment section and I'll be glad to answer your question. Thank you for your attention, everybody. Please remember to share this video, to like, and to comment under it because it is you that is helping us on this platform. Thank you very much.